So this here plug is a pretty standard Chinese scooter type of plug deal. Unplug that, and believe it or not, this plug is so generic, it fits in there so perfectly. It'll click. It even comes with this little sticky deal. You mount that thing wherever. I'm not sure because I'm going to be doing an audio system. I don't know if I'm going to be in the way, but for right now I'm just going to leave it chilling there. Here's your siren. This thing should be doing my remote start and alarm just like that. So here's my remote. Installed. It's working already. That's got to be the world's quickest alarm system installation of all time. And this thing is loud as hell. Wow. Let's see how this remote start works. That's what I gotta see. Okay. I'll try it again. Maybe it takes a second. It is cold. The lights are on, but no one's home.
Thing's about to die.
Nah.
Right. Oh.
What the hell happened?
It's circulating.
Kevin,
It's on.
you're recording. What are you doing touching on this thing for? You have to do your job. Get back to your assigned position.
Oh my God.
No. This one?
God, that is loud as hell.
Remoto stato. No stato. Just remoto. No stato. Just a little cold. I guess it works when you're outside. It is a $20 alarm system after all. it just makes noise. I mean, hey, let's try out the shock sensor. Ooh, that'll be fun. Beep, beep. Hey man, you can't beat it, man. $20, man. Cheap thrills. That is adjustable, and I'm going to adjust that in a second.
Yeah, lower that, man. God damn.
This thing is installed right there. Literally, I've been here for about 2 minutes and 35 seconds. The alarm system is installed. Just stick. Here is the finished installation. I mounted the alarm module up here with a two-sided tape. I routed the antenna so it can see up and give me some decent range. Below here, right behind the horn, that's where the siren is. Doesn't really matter where that goes because that thing is just annoyingly loud no matter where you put it. And that's it. You put the lid on top and forget about it. It's done.